Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're talking about passive income, that magical thing where money just keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working. We're going to be diving deep into 14 incredible ways you can start generating passive income in 2024. Whether you're looking to make an extra $100 a month or you're aiming for complete financial freedom, these methods can help you get there. We'll be breaking down each strategy, talking about the pros and cons, and giving you actionable steps you can take to start building your own passive income streams today. All right, let's kick things off with digital products. This is one of my favorite passive income streams because it's incredibly scalable. Think about it, you create the product once and it can be sold over and over again without any additional effort from you. The beauty of digital products is the variety. You can create ebooks on topics you're passionate about, design eye-catching printable templates, or even develop software if you have the technical skills. Let's say you're an expert in photography, you could create an ebook teaching others how to master their camera settings or edit like a pro. You could even create Lightroom presets and sell those as well. The key here is to identify your strengths and passions and find a way to package that knowledge into a digital product. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website can become your digital storefront. Next up, we've got online courses. This is another fantastic option for monetizing your expertise. If you have valuable knowledge to share, why not create a comprehensive online course? Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to host and sell your courses to a global audience. The best part, you only need to create the course once, and then it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. Think about what you're good at. Maybe you're a whiz at coding, a master chef, or a financial guru. Whatever your skill set, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Now, let's talk about blogging. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't blogging a ton of work? Well, yes and no. Getting started does take effort, but once you've built up a solid library of content and a loyal audience, blogging can become a fantastic source of passive income. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and commit to consistently creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Once you've got an audience, you can monetize your blog through various avenues such as display advertising, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. Do you have a knack for photography? If so, selling stock photos could be your ticket to passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time someone licenses them. The best part? You can literally make money in your sleep. Imagine waking up to find that someone, somewhere in the world, just purchased the rights to use your photo for their website, marketing campaign, or even a physical product. It's like having your own little money-making photo booth working for you 24/7. Okay, this one might not sound passive, but hear me out. Building a strong social media presence takes time and effort, but once you've cultivated a loyal following, you can leverage that influence to generate passive income through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to be authentic, engage with your audience, and partner with brands that align with your values and niche. Imagine getting paid to post about products you already love or promoting services you genuinely believe in. That's the power of influencer marketing. All right, let's shift gears and talk about real estate. Investing in rental properties has long been a popular path to passive income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't being a landlord a lot of work? It can be, but it doesn't have to be. With the rise of property management companies and online platforms that streamline the rental process, becoming a landlord has never been easier. Plus, owning rental properties can provide you with consistent cash flow, tax advantages, and long-term appreciation. Now, for those of you who prefer a more hands-off approach, investing in the stock market can be a great way to generate passive income over the long term. By investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you can earn regular income without lifting a finger. Of course, it's essential to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and be prepared for market fluctuations. But with a solid investment strategy, the stock market can become a powerful engine for passive income growth. Ever thought about buying an already established online business? Purchasing an existing website that's already generating income can be a shortcut to passive income. It's like buying a business that's already up and running with a proven track record. Of course, you'll want to do your due diligence and make sure the website is a worthwhile investment. But if you find the right one, it can be like stepping onto a moving train to passive income success. Yes, you heard that right. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and potentially lucrative way to generate passive income. By creating engaging content around topics you're passionate about, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. The key is to be consistent, create high-quality videos, and engage with your viewers. Think of it like this: you're getting paid to share your passions with the world. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord? REITs, or real estate investment trusts, might be the answer. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, such as apartment buildings, shopping malls, and office spaces. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market and earn dividends without having to deal with tenants, repairs, or property management. Are you a design whiz? If so, you can monetize your creativity by selling digital designs online. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Redbubble allow you to sell your designs as printable wall art, t-shirt designs, phone cases, and more. The best part? Once you create the design, it can be sold an unlimited number of times, generating passive income for you while you sleep, eat, or even design your next masterpiece. Have a spare bedroom, parking spot, or even some storage space. Don't let it go to waste. Platforms like Airbnb, Neighbor, and Vrbo make it easier than ever to rent out your unused space and generate passive income. You can rent out your space for short-term stays, long-term rentals, or even just for storage. It's a fantastic way to offset your living expenses or earn some extra cash on the side. Do you have a voice that captivates listeners? If so, audiobook narration could be your calling. Platforms like ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange, connect narrators with authors looking to turn their books into audiobooks. You get paid for your narration work, and you might even earn royalties on audiobook sales. It's a fantastic way to combine your love of reading with your vocal talents and generate passive income while doing something you enjoy. Okay, this last one might not be the most exciting, but it's an essential part of any passive income strategy. High-yield savings accounts and money market accounts won't make you rich quick, but they offer a safe and easy way to earn interest on your money. While the returns might seem small, they can add up over time, especially when combined with other passive income streams. Think of it as putting your money to work even while you sleep. And there you have it. 14 ways to make money with passive income. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching.